Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 2D shapes. Let's use this color. Start the video kids. Blue color. Which color kids? This is blue color. Yellow color. Which color kids? This is yellow color. Orange color. Which color kids? This is orange color. Green color. Which color kids? This is green color. Red color. Which color kids? This is red color. Light green color. Which color kids? This is light green color. Let's start the video. This is circle. This is circle. This is square. This is pentagon. This is star. This is heart. This is triangle. Circle. Let's use light green color. Square. Using blue color. Pentagon. Using this yellow color. Star. Using the orange color. Heart. Using dark green color. Triangle. Using the red color. Let's revise. Circle. Which shape, kids? This is circle. Square. Which shape, kids? This is square. Pentagon. Which shape, kids? This is pentagon. Star. Which shape, kids? This is star. Heart. Which shape, kids? This is heart. Triangle. Which shape, kids? This is triangle. Okay, kids, please like, share, and subscribe.